Welcome to WordPress. How to change the product page tabs titles in WordPress. This is a product in my WordPress site. We have two tabs, description and reviews. Here is how we can change their text. In currently active theme, edit functions.php file and use this code at the bottom. In this code, I have changed description tab text to details and reviews text to customer feedback. You have to check if a particular tab is set, and then you can change its text to different text. Description title was changed to details and reviews title was changed to customer feedback. Let's verify. And sure it is details and customer feedback. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.